What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Hate Me by Ellie Goulding and Juice WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial and I won't have to drop kick you into a turnbuckle. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay, so this song is in standard tuning, and I'm going to show you how to play the riff that just repeats throughout the entire song, and then I'll also show you the chords that you can play if you want to just strum throughout the song. As always, I will have the guitar tab that I made for this in the description below, so if you need that, once you get done with the video, check the description. The tab will be there for you. For now, you're going to start out on the 8th fret on the A string. You're going to pluck that twice. Then you're going 10th fret on the G string. Then you're going to go 8th fret on the D and hammer on to the 10th fret on the D. And then you're going to staccato pick, which is you're going to pick once and kind of let up, so it's a very quick pick. 8 on the G string, 11 on the D, 10 on the D. So that's the first half of the riff. The second half, you're going down to the 6th fret on your A string, doing the same thing, plucking that twice, and then going to the 8th fret on your G. Same thing, hammer on the D string, 8th fret to 10. And then you're going 11 on the D, 10 on the D, 8 on the D, 11 on the A, and that same staccato picking. So all together slowly, the riff looks like this. Now that is the riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. If you want to just strum through the chords for the song, the easiest way to do that is the capo up to the 1st fret, and you're going to use 4 different chords that also just repeat throughout the entire song. And if you need the diagrams, I will have them in the description below. They're in a free ebook called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's got all the major chord diagrams in there for you, so if you need it, once you get done with the video, jump in the description. It'll be there for you. For now, you're going to start off with an E minor. It's 0-2-2-0-0-0. Then you're going to go A minor, it's 0-0-2-2-1-0. D major, 0-0-0-2-3-2. And then finally G, 3-2-0-0-3-3. Now once you have the chords down, all you need is the strumming pattern. It's going to be a down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Throughout all the chords, it looks like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you're switching on those ups right there between from the E to the A minor and from the D to the G, you're switching on that up. So down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up.
There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.